Emily, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video. So I'm gonna be doing like a mini Maven's Beauty haul. So if you don't know what Maven Beauty is, it's basically Fashion Nova's makeup line. I think that's how I would explain it. So I didn't pick up a lot. I only picked up 6 items, but I do plan on using them in the next video. I'm just gonna haul them in this video so that I can take them out of the packaging and have everything ready for my next video. So it did come in a different like plastic Fashion Nova bag, and then inside the bag came this black bubble mailer. It says Nova Beauty by Fashion Nova. So I purchased all this stuff, I believe, on Black Friday. They were having a nice sale. And I also saw one of my favorite YouTubers, if you don't know by now, Emma Fleming, do like a little haul, and she used these products, and the look she came up with was really pretty. So yeah, when I saw her use these products, I was like, I need them. So, you know, of course I went and got them. So I'm gonna start off by saying I'm already obsessed with their packaging. So I got their highlighter. I believe they had 2 shades. I got the shade Dripped Out. I love the holographic floral packaging. I may have to keep these products in their boxes. That's how much I like the packaging. And I believe the other shade was like a rose gold pinky shade. And this one is more of a golden shade. Okay, I'm not keeping them in their packaging. I love how vibrant the actual product is. So let's open this bad boy. Ooh, the mirror looks like it's a really nice quality, and that is a really pretty champagne gold shade, which I think is gonna go really pretty with my complexion. So next I got 2 lipsticks. I got and they're both the Velvet formula. So I got the shade Thrills and Buena. So that's what these shades look like, and then this is the packaging, and they are bullet lipsticks. Oh my god, I'm gonna get every shade in this. The actual lipstick is a magnet. How freaking cool is that? It is really nice and shiny. It's not like a matte packaging, which I can appreciate. Just says Maven on it, and this is the shade Thrills. Oh, this looks really nice. It looks like a matte lipstick, but when you look really closely, you can tell it's gonna have that nice creamy formula. Should I swatch it? I guess I can swatch it. That is my type of color right there. So that was Thrills. Then this is the shade Buena, which is a really pretty nude brown. I knew what I was going for when I picked these out. Okay, so then I got the Maven's Beauty Basic Beat Cream Eyeshadow Base. It's like a primer. That is what the packaging looks like. So it comes in a little squeezy tube. And this is in the shade Coquito. That is what that shade looks like. I think I picked the perfect shade, and it does feel quite creamy, so can't wait to see how that works with the eyeshadow. So then I got 2 of their eyeshadow quads. I got one in the shade Medium Blend, and then one in the shade Define. And on the top, where the names are, it shows you the shades that are in the palettes. I love how sleek these things are. I love the vibrant orange packaging as well. So this is what the Medium Blend looks like, which honestly I got this for like a everyday type of use. I can definitely use this, especially when I go back to work. I like to do something really light on the eyes, so super simple. This will probably be my go-to palette, but yeah, I can't wait to use these. Look at these freaking colors. This is so fall vibes for me. Emma Fleming did a look using this palette, I think, and I think that one or the lighter version of this one. I plan on recreating that look, so stay tuned for that. But these are so like lightweight and compact, like you could throw these in your purse and go. I'm super excited to try these new products out. Everyone that I see review the Maven beauty line likes it, so if I like it, I might purchase more. I'm definitely gonna be getting more of the lipsticks though, because I love the packaging. The magnetic packaging is like amazing. So that is everything that I purchased from Fashion Nova. So if you want to see me use those products, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. It might be the next video or the video after that I post me trying them out. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. So on that note, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment down below, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, staying safe, staying blessed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again?